Hello history addicts, and welcome to Today in History for 8th March. We've handpicked 20 remarkable moments, each guaranteed to blow your mind. If you love hidden gems from the past, subscribe now and buckle up for a jaw-dropping ride. Ready to see how one day can pack centuries of truly unbelievable twists? Let's go. Number 20. On the 8th of March 1618, Johannes Kepler deduced his third law of planetary motion, linking orbital periods to distances from the Sun, a breakthrough published in Harmonices Mundi a year later. Number 19. On 8 March 1782, Pennsylvania militiamen slaughtered nearly 100 Christian Lenape at Gnadenhutten, Ohio, in a shocking frontier atrocity that further inflamed tensions between native tribes and early American settlers. Number 18. On the 8th of March, 1862, the ironclad CSS Virginia attacked Union ships at Hampton Roads, Virginia, heralding a revolutionary era of naval warfare that saw the USS Monitor enter the fray. Number 17. On the 8th of March, 1910, Raymond de la Roche made aviation history as the first woman granted a pilot's license, soaring over France and pioneering recognition of women's skill in the skies. Number 16. On the 8th of March, 1917, women textile workers in Petrograd launched a strike demanding bread, peace, and liberty, lighting the fuse for Russia's February Revolution that toppled centuries of imperial rule. Number 15. On March 8, 1917, the U.S. Senate adopted its first cloture rule, enabling a two-thirds majority to end filibusters, forever altering legislative battles by limiting endless debate within congressional chambers. Number 14. On 8 March 1924, explosions rocked the Castle Gate mine in Utah, killing 172 workers. This horrific disaster rattled mining communities nationwide, spurring major calls for stricter industrial safety standards. Number 13. On the 8th of March, 1935, beloved Akita dog Hachiko died in Shibuya, Japan, after nearly a decade awaiting his late master's return, transforming him into an enduring symbol of loyalty worldwide. Number 12. On the 8th of March, 1942, Imperial Japanese troops took Rangoon, severing vital Allied supply lines in Burma. Their swift conquest boosted Japan's Pacific ambitions and heralded brutal struggles across Southeast Asia. Number 11. On the 8th of March, 1948, the U.S. Supreme Court decided McCollum versus Board of Education, ruling that religious instruction in public schools violated the Establishment Clause, reshaping constitutional limits on education. Number 10. On the 8th of March, 1950, Germany's Volkswagen began production of the Type II van, nicknamed the microbus, enchanting families, hippies, and surfers worldwide with its quirky charm and unstoppable road trip spirit. Number 9. On the 8th of March, 1957, Ghana was admitted to the United Nations, just 2 days after independence, symbolizing its newly won sovereignty and inspiring wide anti-colonial movements across the African continent. Number 8. On March 8, 1965, 3,500 U.S. Marines landed at Da Nang, marking the first official American combat troops in Vietnam and escalating a conflict that would define a generation's turmoil. Number 7. On the 8th of March, 1971, undefeated heavyweight champions Joe Frazier and Muhammad Ali clashed at Madison Square Garden in the fight of the century. with Frazier's decision electrifying boxing fans worldwide. Number 6. On 8 March 1971, activists from the Citizens Commission to investigate the FBI broke into an office in Media, Pennsylvania, exposing surveillance practices and shaking America's faith in federal institutions. Number 5. On the 8th of March, 1974, Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport officially opened, boasting futuristic terminals and vast runways. It soon soared into major global prominence as France's busiest international aviation gateway. Number 4. On the 8th of March, 1983, President Ronald Reagan branded the Soviet Union an evil empire in a fiery speech, intensifying Cold War rhetoric and crystallizing tensions between superpowers for years ahead. Number 3. On the 8th of March, 1985, a car bomb devastated Beirut's Bir El Abed district, killing dozens and injuring hundreds. Many believe CIA-backed agents targeted Shia cleric Mohammed Fadlallah, fueling intense regional animosity. Number 2. On the 8th of March, 1986, Japan's Suisei probe whizzed by Halley's Comet, capturing data on its coma. This cosmic close encounter deepened humanity's fascination with icy visitors traversing our solar system. Number 1. On 8 March 2014, Malaysia Airlines flight MH370 vanished en route to Beijing with 239 people aboard, sparking an international search across ocean depths that remains one of aviation's mysteries. That's a wrap on 8 March's mind-blowing milestones. We've danced through cosmic discoveries, defiant revolutions, and even a rebellious break-in or two. Feeling enlightened? Don't forget to hit subscribe and share these must-know moments with fellow history junkies. Tomorrow's date promises fresh shockers, from epic inventions to fiascos that changed entire nations. So stay curious, buckle in, and join us again for another fast-paced time warp. Adventure awaits. Same place, new wonders.